Good morning everyone. So as usual, simula tayo with getting our steps for the day. So pasensya na magulo buhok ko. So meron lang kwento sa inyo habang naglalakad sa treadmill. So I was going over Instagram earlier and nakita ko si DJ Khaled unboxing the Jordan 4 Manila. So kung hindi nyo napanood yung unboxing ko tsaka review ng Jordan 4 Manila when it came out, I will link it down below. Now, naalala ko when the Jordan 4 Manila came out, ang presyo nun, napuwing ako, umabot ng mga 400, 500,000 pesos. That's roughly 10,000 USD. So I was curious, magkano nababentahan ng Jordan 4 Manila today? So I was going over Facebook and I saw someone selling it for 1 million pesos. Nisip ko, overpriced naman to. Grabe naman, 1 million pesos. Di naman siguro. So I went to StockX and checked. Apparently, people are selling it for more than 1 million. Some people are selling it for 1.5. Some people are selling it for like 2 million. The last sold was actually still at around 8 to 5,000. So that's still roughly 500,000 pesos. Pero sobrang konting pairs na lang yung available even on StockX. And that's probably the reason why the prices are going up. Plus, the fact na pinaplug or pinupush ni DJ Khaled. Na medyo nakakalungkot kasi nung naglabas yan dito sa Pilipinas, some people were actually selling it to me for as low as 300. Actually, may nag-offer sa akin 280 eh. Dapat talaga kinagat ko na. Kasi kung binili ko siya ng 280 back then, magkano na halaga doon ngayon? Kahit palagay mo ng 500, 600, 700, that would have been double or triple. I think it's reached a point na Jordan 4 Manila is really has transcended it. It's more of a collector's item now more than anything else. I mean, at that value, at that price, nakaka-mind blown. Plus the fact that the hype keeps building kasi more and more of the celebrities are trying to get it because it's so limited. Whew! Sa mga nakuha sa inyo ng Jordan 4 Manila when it came out dito sa Pilipinas, congratulations po sa inyo. Grabe. Sa mga nagtataka what I do on the treadmill, hindi siya complicated guys. So I usually just set it to 4 to 5 na speed, incline. Tapos I just walk for like 30 to 40 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes a day. Sometimes I do 1 hour. Kasi it helps with the step count. Naka-lockdown tayo, hindi naman tayo nakakalabas, and it's also good cardio. Kumbaga, binabari ko, minsan tinataas ko yung incline para lang mas challenging. Pataas ang pataas, baba na baba, pabilis ang pabilis. So yun lang, just so you have an idea, ano ba ginagawa ko umaga dito sa treadmill na to. Also, some people are asking what was the model of my treadmill. So yan, Nordic Track T10.0. Ito nga pala yung mask na papakita ko sa inyo today. So review natin yan, pero bago natin review, luto muna tayo ng lunch. Ganda, umiilaw-ilaw pa yan, abangan yan. So ito, si Mrs. niya yung nag-season. Meron siyang salt, pepper, tsaka naglagay yata siya ng konting garlic powder. So, 3 very healthy, nice cuts of salmon. Yan, lagay tayo konting garlic. So, habang nagpa-fry, tinitingnan ko lang actually yung, nakikita nyo parang tumataas yung kulay mula sa ilalim. Pag medyo packet na yan ng packet, dun ko siya ito-turn. So, sinisimulan ko with the skin sa ilalim. Ewan ko kung tama Again, di ako expert cook. So kung mali ako, comment lang kayo sa baba. Pagkatapos nun, babalik pa rin ko siya. So yun yung ginagawa ko. Butter! Ayun, no? So yan guys. Ito ang ating butter, garlic, medyo tostadong garlic salmon. Mga pala, shout out kay Bistek Premium Cold Cuts. So meron sila ito, pinadala yung mga Wagyu cubes. Meron dito spicy tsaka cheesy Hungarian sausage. Pero ito talaga yung gusto ko matry. Ito yung talagang caught my attention. Their ribeye steak. So I think it's dry age or butter age, something like that. So excited ako i-test. Yan, no? So carnivore tayo today. So I'll save it for tomorrow. Pero pinapakita ko lang sa inyo for today's vlog. Pero abangan, sa next episode, magluluto tayo ng steak dito sa vlog. Yan, no? Panalo. So again, I'll link down below. Baka gusto nyo sila silipin. Bistek Premium Cold Cuts. O nga pala, if you're wondering paano nakuha ni DJ Khaled yung Jordan 4 Manila, and this is just conjecture based on what I've seen, pinost ni Lerwin, who's the owner of Soul Republic, who's also available in Unbox Green Hills, na he had that pair. Yung number na meron si DJ Khaled in the Soul Republic store. So either another reseller bought it or someone bought it from Soul Republic, but that pair that eventually ended on the desk and in the hands of DJ Khaled came from Soul Republic. Okay, now bago tayo pumunta dun sa mask, quick report lang. So I was mentioning na I was doing the ano ba tawag ito? yung steps tsaka yung diet. By the way, ang gulo ng buhok ko, to na naman ako. Yung diet pala, I just try to, it's flexible dieting. So it's basically just making sure that I count, ano ba yan? Ang gulo. I count my macros, tama yung number of calories, tsaka yung proteins. Best friend ko si MyFitnessPal right now. And then in terms of working out, the goal is to get, 7,500 to 10,000 steps a day, cardio, tas strength training. You know, I have a coach working with me like what I mentioned before. So I started again Jan 1. Happy to report that I've lost almost around 9 to 10 pounds. Ano kayo mag-alala, sabihin nyo, ang bilis naman nun, mataba ako, tsaka marami akong weight to lose. At mabilis talaga ako mag-lose tsaka gain ng weight. So while it may sound alarming to you guys, kasi ang laki na nawala in such a short amount of time, ganun talaga ako eh. Parang I could easily gain that back in like, I don't know, 3 to 4 days. So yun yung problema pag malaki ka. Yung mga malalaking tao dyan, makaka-relate sa mga sinasabi ko. Anyway, so yun yung progress. So hopefully, if this keeps going on, goal natin to knock off siguro mga 20 to 25 pounds this month. So malay nyo, it happens. I'll report back to you guys. So anyway, punta na tayo sa face mask. Okay guys, so this is the Razer Zephyr. So may Zephyr Pro, may Zephyr Normal. And yung name na Razer, I'm sure most of you are familiar with. They are a gaming brand. Sila yung mga meron may ilaw na keyboard, may ilaw na mouse. So ito, ang features nito, unang-una sa lahat, it's a built-in wearable air purifier. They said that it can filter out bacteria, germs, and of course protect you from the virus. But apart from that, meron din siyang visible, so makikita mo yung bibig ng kausap mo. And yung pinaka-main feature niya, well, another feature pala is it has built-in fans kasi nga it purifies the air. So medyo lumalamig yung bibig natin. But yung pinaka-key feature niya, may app by the way, is because it is Razer at kailangan maging gamer-ish, meron siyang, tada, lights. RGB. So there are two lights. One is internal lighting and one is external lighting. You can even change the colors. You can change the way the lights are playing. Pwedeng, ano ba to? Pwedeng static, pwedeng spectrum, as in pwedeng wave, breathing, ano. Ito naman, oh. Nakita nyo, nagbabago-bago na yung oh my, OMG. This is such a funny face mask. So, but anyway, so pwede ninyong, I don't know, if you want a face mask that really gets attention and if you want a face mask that's kind of unique and crazy, this is it. Again, yung problem lang with this is that the filters need changing. So may disposable filters ka. When I got it, may kasama na siya, but eventually you will need to top up and you will need to refill your filters pag paubos na siya. Now, baka nagtataka sa inyo, baka daw mag-fog tong area na to. It did come with an anti-fog spray. So, you spray it yata sa loob or sa labas para hindi siya nagpa-fog or nagmo-moist habang nagsasalita ka. Now, in terms of overall comfort, sinuot ko na siya for a few days now. It's very comfortable. It's much lighter. I actually prefer this in terms of comfort over the LG Puricare, which is another expensive wearable air purifier. So, between those two, mas trip ko to. Yun nga lang, ang agaw pansin talaga nito eh. I mean, pwede ko i-off yung ilaw para hindi siya sobrang nakakaano. Pero, when would be the instances na i-on mo yung ilaw para lang man-trip or para lang, di ba? Parang, hindi, ewan ko, siguro hindi lang ako yung type. Pero kung trip ninyo, if this is something that you guys want, you can actually order it from Arthur's Gadgets. So, they're one of our cabinet renters at Unbox Green Hills. They've been there actually for a while. Since the start yata, if I'm not mistaken eh. So, they've been selling Oculus, Quests. They've been selling PS5s and a bunch of other gadgets dun sa Unbox GH. And they asked me if I wanted one, so I ordered it and it arrived. So yan ang Razer Zephyr. Ngayon kung nagtatanong kayo, teka, alisin ko na to. If you guys are wondering how much this costs, it is pricey. The Zephyr, I think, sells for over 10,000 pesos or around almost 15,000 pesos. So yun yung major drawback niya. Not everybody can afford it and not everybody will definitely want to spend that much money on a mask, considering pwede ka na lang naman talaga mag-surgical mask. Again, I'm not positioning this as a need. I'm not positioning as something that you should buy. I'm just showing you that it exists. Para lang tayo clear. Kasi at the end of the day, ang importante pa rin, ventilation, yung proper wearing of masks, and yung di ba nabasa ko recently, if you're going to go indoors, try to limit the amount of time and as much as possible if you will meet with people, do outdoors. Kasi nga airborne si comparing COVID na nakabwisit na talaga. So yun, yan ang Razer Zephyr. What do you guys think about this face mask? Yung ilaw talaga. Ang kulit, di ba? Sobrang kulit eh. Alam niyo, if anything, bigyan lang natin ng pogi point si Razer dahil ginawa nila to. Kasi it's gotta take a certain level of conviction and craziness to actually build something like this and sell it. But yeah, yun lang. Yun. Anyway guys, that's actually it for today's vlog. I just wanted to share with you that crazy, insane looking face mask na napulot ko from Razer, as well as give you an update on what I've been focused on and what I've been doing the last few days. So, ang message ko lang para sa inyo for a quick power up words of wisdom for the day, keep focusing and keep smashing those goals. If you have a goal that's super big, break it down into smaller goals para mas madali siya, and then it will all add up. Para kunyari ako dun sa weight loss, di ba? Parang it's so insurmountable, it's so nakakabwisit. Pero if you break it down into different things that you need to do within a day, then it becomes more achievable. Kasi what will really spell the difference between succeeding or not is yung process tsaka yung system that you have in place. Not just the vision. Kasi kung gusto mo yan at hindi mo gawa ng sistema, yari yan. So kailangan meron kang sistema, meron kang process, meron kang sinusundan. So just a bit of tip, just a small tip for you guys. So yun lang, I'm praying for all of you, lahat na may sakit sa inyo, get well soon. Sa mga nag-aalaga ng mga pamilya nila na may sakit, I'm praying for you as well for strength and energy and patience and God's grace para sa inyong lahat. Yun, kaya natin to. I know 2022 hasn't gotten off to a great start, pero let's still smash this year. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.